Hey, Jake here from Gold Coast Plumbing Company. I thought I'd film this little video inside the van today as it's a horrible day outside. Being called out to a customer's property today for one of these, an inlet valve from the cistern. Now, a couple signs to look out for these is obviously you hear them running. You can do a paper towel test on the back of the cistern where you sit a bit of toilet paper or a bit of tissue, sit it on the back there, and if there's water running down into the tissue and the tissue is getting wet, you've got a leak. So you can replace the inlet valve. Sometimes the outlet washer needs replacing as well, and sometimes worst case you have to replace the cistern or the pan. So give us a call if you do have that issue, and we can come out and determine what we need to do. If we have to, we can just replace the inlet valve or the whole suite. You want to get onto these as soon as possible, because obviously it's constantly running water, so you're going to get a high water bill. So yeah, give us a call if you have any of those dramas and we'll come and check it out for you. Cheers guys.